Right, so I'm just under the electric ED30 or eDeliver 3 by Maxus. Obviously it's a Chinese made van, and as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm taping off the battery here because there's lots of useful information behind here about what it is. It's also got like danger signs and things like that. So I tape all this off and all like your connection points and things. So when we're working on it, we can disconnect this battery so we don't kill ourselves, which we quite like. But if you look, the construction, they have put some Underseal on it, but it's made in China, yeah, and they're not quite accustomed to the road environments, the salt water and gritting on the roads and things like that as we are. So obviously what I'm going to do now is obviously we put all our strengthening in for the seats, which mounts off the actual chassis rails because it's an aluminium floor, so we would never risk just bolting a seat to an aluminium floor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of like just spray all this. You'll see that I'm not actually getting it on the battery. Putting shuts on the battery is really not a good idea. So I'm very gently just going around, just making sure that all these bits are covered. Because we appreciate that the customers are having a conversion in here, we're building a conversion. We want this to last for as long as it can possibly last, because we want to sell more of them. So we want a good 10 years before you even think about having any structural work done on a vehicle. Right, so I've painted it all off, as you can see. I kept all the batteries sealed up because when you're working on your batteries you need to be able to get onto your connection points. Yeah, you'll notice over this side as well if you come round. Right, I've kept all your labelling. Yeah, I've kept all your joints again nice and neat, so I'm just pulling it all off. Yeah, so all of a sudden, if any technician has to go on your electrics, they're going to quite like you. And I've kept all your barcodes and all your CE marks all clear. You'll see underneath the whole of the vehicle now, you're not going to see any white at all. Yeah, this vehicle now is ready to take to the sunshine, take it to the beach, enjoy the salt weather. It's not going to rust. Bless them. The Chinese are very good, but the idea of undersealing a vehicle for weather is just not their forte. Again, spent a lot of money. We want to make sure that this is going to last on a long time. It looks absolutely immaculate.